Hi everybody, welcome to PowerTeacher Pro New Teacher Training. This is Ryan Cardula and I work in teaching and learning for the district. I'm excited to share some information with you about PowerTeacher Pro. The first thing we need to do is make sure you have access. You should have received an email from technology or maybe your secretary about how to access PowerTeacher. If you don't have access to PowerTeacher, you have not received an email, please reach out via work order. Here's the email address, or call this number right here. You need access to PowerTeacher Pro to complete a lot of this work. So to access PowerTeacher Pro, the easiest way to do it is to access it through the district webpage. I'm going to exit out of this for a minute, and I'm going to go to the district webpage and kind of show you. So here's the district webpage. Hopefully you've been there. It's really easy to get to. It's just www.usd253.org. And then where we want to go is we want to go here to the staff page. The staff page has staff resources. And as you go through these trainings, you're probably going to be hearing more about this page. It has a lot of different things on it, like wellness, school messenger, Skyward, Frontline, Capers, McCrell, New Direction. All these resources are listed for you on this page. Today we are going to look at Power School. So here's Power School. This little triangle right here, click on it, and we're going to access PowerTeacher. And this is where you enter your username and password. And again, you should have gotten this from the tech or maybe your building secretary. And if you need help, please come out to this slide and use this work order, email address, or phone number to access some help. And you'll log in and it'll look like this. Now, once you log into PowerTeacher Pro or PowerTeacher, you're going to see this landing page. This landing page has a number of options. It has your classes. It has a link to PowerTeacher Pro. This is the gradebook, and we're going to learn about that in a little bit. It also has some other things here that we're going to talk about, like the attendance and the seating chart and lunch count, etc. But the first thing we want to do is we want to get you a PowerSource account, so that way you can access the videos. So when you get to the landing page, this home page, there's an icon right here. If you click on it, it will walk you through how to set up a PowerSource account. And once you do that, you can access the videos. So we want to take a look at a few things that are on that home page. First is attendance. That's the chair. The chair is where you click to take a daily attendance. We expect attendance to be done daily. Elementaries do it twice a day. Secondary schools do it every period. If the chair is grayed out and you kind of click on it, that means no attendance is set up. Please check with your building secretary on that. The next one is a chair with a grid behind it. This is a seating chart. This is where you can set up a seating chart for your classroom. It actually has pictures of your students that you can drag around. There's also a video right here that you can watch. If you want to actually get the link to the video, you can do that through the presentation that's on the website as well. The next thing is lunch count. Lunch count is K-5 specific. Your building secretaries are a good resource for lunch count. The printer, there's a reports on your kiddos. You can run some reports on that. I would just play around with that and see what's there. The backpack is where you can get information on your students, such as grades and demographics. And finally, PowerTeacher Pro. That's how you'll access your gradebook. And we'll talk about that in the next section because that is specific to the grade level you teach, elementary or secondary. And finally, if you need help, check in PowerSource. You have an account now. Talk to your teacher or in your PLC. Use the work order system, or you can email me if you want to. Reach out to me and I will help you out as well. So, again, this is Ryan, and I'm excited that you're part of our team. I hope that you enjoy this training and it's valuable.